Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something incredibly useful for anyone who regularly works with disk image files. We're going to talk about PowerISO, an absolutely fantastic all-in-one solution for processing ISO, bin, and pretty much any CD, DVD, or Blu-ray disc image file. We'll be looking at version 9.2 and how you can get it up and running on your system. So, if you've ever struggled with mounting virtual drives, creating bootable USBs, or editing image files, this video is definitely for you. First, let's quickly cover what makes PowerISO so powerful. It's not just about opening ISO files. You can use it to create, edit, compress, encrypt, split, and convert ISO files. Plus, it can mount these files with an internal virtual drive, which is a lifesaver when you don't want to burn a physical disk. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a system administrator, or just someone trying to install an operating system from a USB drive, PowerISO simplifies the entire process. It's a true multi-tool for your digital toolkit. Now, let's get straight to the main event: downloading and setting up PowerISO 9.2. The first and most important step is to head over to the official PowerISO website. I can't stress this enough. Always download software from the official source to ensure you're getting a safe and clean file. Once you're on their homepage, you'll easily find the download section. You'll see options for both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Make sure you choose the one that matches your Windows operating system. If you're not sure which one you have, you can right-click on this PC or My Computer and select Properties to check your system type. Once you've downloaded the installer, the installation process is very straightforward. Just double-click the file you downloaded, and the setup wizard will launch. You'll be guided through a few simple steps. You'll need to agree to the license agreement, choose an installation directory, the default is usually fine, and then decide on file associations. PowerISO will ask if you want it to be the default program for opening ISO and other image files. I recommend leaving this checked, as it makes opening these files much more convenient later on. Just click Next a few times, then Install, and in less than a minute, the software will be installed on your computer. After the installation is complete, you can launch PowerISO. When you first open it, you might notice that it's running in an unregistered trial mode. The trial version is quite functional but has some limitations, like a cap on the size of files you can create or edit. To unlock its full potential, you'll need to register it. For activation, you'll need a registration code. Typically, this is obtained by purchasing a license directly from the official PowerISO website. Buying a license is the best way to support the developers for their hard work and to ensure you receive future updates and customer support. When you purchase, you'll receive a username and a registration code via email. To activate, open PowerISO, go to the Enter Registration Code option, which you can usually find in the Help or About menu. A small window will pop up asking for your username and the code. Carefully copy and paste the details you received into the respective fields and click OK. It's that simple. Once you restart the program, it will be fully registered, and all limitations will be removed, giving you lifetime access to all its features for that version. And there you have it. You now have the full version of PowerISO 9.2 ready to tackle any disk image task you throw at it. From creating a bootable Windows 11 USB stick to extracting files from an old game disk image, you're all set. It's an incredibly handy piece of software that I find myself using all the time. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.